Penfed Credit Union Review. Is it worth your time? So Penfed is a major U.S. federal credit union established in 1935 and are now serving at least over 3 million members with 35 billion in assets, making it the second or third largest in the nation. And membership is open to nearly all and not just military-related individuals. So its pros is it has high-yield savings and CD options. They have premium online savings offers around the world and they have wide fee-free ATM access and low fees for the checking and the savings account. It also has a strong financial stability and recognition. They also have excellent loan and credit card offerings, and they have accessible digital member support. The cons is though, it has limited branch and in-person accesses. The physical locations options are scarce outside of certain regions, and they have digital interface, but they have a lot of hiccups and aggregation issues. They also have customer service, but it's inconsistent, and they have loan and credit unpredictability. So some users report unexpected denied applications. So overall, it is definitely legit and very valuable for savers and borrowers who prioritize low fees and high rates. But if you rely on in-person banking or use financial and aggregators, be mindful of usability hiccups.